Welcome to your channel Psychology Simplified. Today we are going to discuss about 7 ways to increase creativity. Creative thinking involves all the styles of thought that is inductive or deductive. Creative thinking can be highly complex. Now let us focus what are the 7 ways with the help of which we can increase the creativity. Creativity is usually defined as the combination of responses or ideas in a novel way. There are several factors that seem to be associated with creativity. Now let us explore the 7 ways to increase creativity. The first method is using analogies. Analogies not only help us uncover new understanding, they provide alternative frameworks for interpreting facts. The next one is adopting a critical perspective. Rather than passively accepting assumptions or arguments, critically evaluate material by considering its implications and thinking about possible exceptions and contradictions. Third one is thinking divergently. Divergent thinking explores creativity. It plays a unique and vital role to enhance the ability of creativity. Next one is redefining problems. Boundaries and assumptions can be modified. Taking the perspective of another person is a very important way to increase creativity. It helps us to explore the available alternate. Sixth one is using heuristics. Heuristics are rule of thumb that can help bring about a solution to a problem. A heuristic frequently helps to develop a solution more rapidly and effectively. Let us know about heuristics. A heuristic is a mental shortcut that allows people to solve problems and make judgments quickly and efficiently. And the final is experimenting with different solutions. An alternative approach to enhance creativity is brainstorming. Now let us know about brainstorming. It is a process where the production and criticism of ideas are kept separate. It makes stimulation affect ideas of one participant trigger ideas from others. It is usually a group technique but can be applied to individual problem solving. Creativity can be assessed by direct observation and psychological test. One very important observation by Maslow, it was observed that creative children are more willing to receive whatever happens without shock, denial or indignation. Thanks for watching the clip.